Stop sign. Yeah, there's a stop sign too. Yeah, that was a little close. Caution, driver singing. Yep, that's me. Toyota drifting left lane. Hey, a little close there, dude.
Uh-oh, Prius alert.
Okay, get up to merging speed, stupid. Come on. Yeah. Yeah, I'm supposed to pull over. And all. Call that next to dive. I love to love me, babe. Yeah. Stop sign. Blink, gurgling, 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 gurgling. Oh, that was nice. Yeah, okay. Look at this idiot with the blinker on, and then the Brinks truck just cut off the cruise, and the blinker keeps going. Blink, 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 blink. That's always a whoop. This, yeah. Hold on. He stopped, and he stopped. Oh, because there's traffic coming. Okay. Oh, up. Who are you getting, officer? Who are you getting? Oh, and he just rolled the stop. She did. She's in a mask and she rolled the fucking stop. Oh. No, where are you going? I don't know. Where the stop sign mean anything to you, douche? Did he stop over there? Who knows? Oh, you are preciously dumb. Oh, red light runner and right turn on red runner. Did he just? Yeah. Rolled the right rolled the right on red in front of the van. Stop sign. Toyota. How hard is it to stay on one side of the road? Oh, you're tailgating too. Nice. Here it comes. Here it comes. And yes, he can douchebag. Trying to say anything. Thank you. Do you fucking mind? He didn't stop. She didn't stop. This one's not gonna stop, right? Of course not! No! Subaru? Are you gonna stop? Not really, no. That's quite a stop, no. Stop sign. pilot, direct to the left lane, pilot. No. Okay. Truck, you're not supposed to be in that lane. Thank you. Oh, I think that was an exit dive. I just wanna feel your body close. Stop sign. That's the stop sign. See, we stop at the stop sign. Why can't you use the fucking sidewalk, stupid? It's over here. Stop sign. Dumbass. The stop sign. Stop. 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 Yeah. Please don't just. That's it. Right. I'm changing the name of the channel. It's now going to be the Stop Sign Follies. Thank you. Stop means stop here too. I don't know about Florida, but it means stop here. Wait, was that an exit dive? Is that an exit dive? That's an exit dive. Definitely an exit dive. I'm pretty sure those big orange things in your bumper are turn signals. Just a hunch. Everybody gonna run the stop sign. What if that biker did? Wasn't even. Oh, there's one. That's a definite one, and this is a definite two. Are they gonna go? Oh, I need a patty pie. I need a fucking patty pie. Yeah. Look at this asshole parking job, huh? Okay. I just came out of Walmart. They had toilet paper. They had bleach. But they didn't have any single-serve Patti LaBelle sweet potato pies. Now it's a crisis. And I'm going to panic. Thank you. Who rolls it behind me? Who? The truck rolled it behind me. And the expedition just rolled it. Uh-oh. Someone on my right jumping. Will you try looking, you asshole? At least I got a thumbnail out of it. I don't want to call her. What the hell are you doing? What the heck? Blinka, 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 blinka. Okay. Let's watch somebody roll a stop sign. Probably the Subaru, right? Alright. I know. Pickup, you wanna? No, pickup stopped. No, pickup did not stop. Alright. Gave you the benefit of the doubt. Saturn, yep, roll the stop. Thank you. Camaro. Do-do-do-do-do. Yes! From stop again. Don't think that I can take it, 'cause it took so long to make it, and I'll never have that queue jumping again. Oh no! Oh, fuck, I missed the light. Oh, you gonna run the right? You gonna run the right? That was close. Okay. Oh, you're not even gonna stop, are you, Honda? I would really doubt it. Nope. It's a stop sign, stupid. Christ's sake. Gave me the wave like that. Yeah, you're on the red to stop. Yep, another one. Yeah, he gave me the little wave like, gee, thanks for letting me go. Like I had a choice. If I went, you would have T-boned me. Yeah, wake the fuck up. You're such a naughty bad girl, beep beep. Uh-huh. Sad girl, you're such a... Oh! You're such a naughty... Waited so long. That's a stop sign. Stop sign. Camrys. Nope. You're supposed to stop over there too, Accord. You gonna stop behind me, GMC? I don't know. See how that all looked. Stop sign. Stop sign. You just went directly to the left lane. Why? Jesus Christ. Left lane's closed, you dumbass. Oh my, we're going fast, ain't we? Yep, going fast. Toyo turd. 2 in front, 1 behind. Who's gonna run the stop? And Lincoln rolled it! And the Subaru actually stopped. Wow. Well, the Subaru had to stop. Wow, okay. And the Fit rolled it. Yay!